What it do? Welcome back to Soap School. We back. All my soap guys, all my soap girls. We out here. Let's get it. Today, I told y'all earlier in one of the other videos, I don't think I even posted it yet when I'm making this, but that I was gonna let y'all know my top 5 crypto investments for short term. So we here, we now, you know what I mean? This is not financial advice first and foremost. This is just something that I'm doing, you feel me? And you already know that my community, my family, you know what I mean, I want to give y'all some positivity. And I feel like, you know, if I see some little, you know, things that we can invest as a community, as a culture, as a family, I'ma share those things. So let's get into it, you feel me? Like I said earlier, this is strictly for entertainment purposes. This is not financial advice. This is just what Millie V is doing. So let's get into it. So as you know, with everything moving into the metaverse, we gotta be the first. So guys, we gotta be the first ones to invest into all this stuff. And yeah, that's my that's one of the things that I've been doing a lot of research on and started to invest in, is just a lot of the metaverse. But you know, those are my honorable mentions. I'm gonna say my honorable mentions for actually before I get to the top 5. So my honorable mentions of short-term investments right now, and some of these I'm holding on to, and this is crypto, is Cardano, Decentraland, ticker Mana, and Sandbox, ticker Sand. So those are my honorable mentions. Those are some of the coins that I have invested into, specifically Decentraland and Sandbox, because of the gaming, the crypto gaming, the metaverse, and all the room for improvement that I'm seeing. I feel like if we can get into a lot of this stuff early, you know what I mean, then you already know, so guys, we all can make a lot of money. So those are my honorable mentions. I'm not really going to explain those. I explain those into another video. But for my honorable mentions that did not make the list, that's Cardano, Decentraland, and Sandbox. So 5, I want to talk about Solana. Solana, as you see right here, Solana. So the reason that I've invested into Solana is because I feel like it runs parallel with Ethereum. So from what I'm learning, is Solana is kind of like in that same boat as Ethereum, but it's a little bit more faster. So look at the potential that Ethereum, I believe Ethereum right now is like 4,400 a coin. Right now is 212. So Solana is 212 and Ethereum is 4,400 already. I'm just looking at it like I'm getting in Solana real early. And one of the things that I like about Solana in comparison to Ethereum, as you see, it can support tens of thousands of transactions per second. Tens of thousands of transactions per second. Ethereum can only do 13 transactions per second. So Solana can support 10,000s of transactions per second, but Ethereum can only do 13 per second. So that right there tells me Solana has lots of potential. You know what I mean? Is it continues to get compared to Ethereum? I personally believe, and that's me, I personally believe that it still has a lot of room to grow as a coin. All right, number 4, Theta Fuel, ticker T-Fuel. Right now it's going about 32 cents a coin. And yes, I got a little bit of T-Fuel. I'm gonna tell you guys why I got T-Fuel. So I was looking at Theta, so because they got Theta coin and then they got Theta Fuel. So I believe Theta Fuel is the coin that powers the chain operations and payments for video streaming. So with a lot of these games coming out, that's going to be pay to play, meaning now you can actually play a game and you can get paid while you playing the game. I feel like it's going to be a lot of transactions and payments for video streaming. So instead of getting a whole Theta coin, I personally invested into Theta Fuel, as you see. Theta Fuel powers the chain operations and payments for video streaming. And you already know where the world is going to with this video streaming, this metaverse, and everything in the future. So like I said, you want to be the first to start investing in these. Theta Fuel is 32 cents a coin. I got into it a little bit earlier. It's been fluctuating. Now, you got to understand cryptocurrency is very, 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 very volatile. It's very volatile. So, with that being said, only invest when you can afford to invest. I'm not telling you to go put your life savings into cryptocurrency. I'm telling you to margin whatever you put away into your savings. Start using that to invest, because you could put your money into the bank and it not grow. Even though you can lose your money in cryptocurrency, you can also 10x your money. You can also 100x your money. So with that being said, instead of just holding on to a lot of money, holding on to a lot of cash, start researching these companies. Do your own research and start investing into the things that you believe in. Number 3, top 3, baby. My top 3 short-term and crypto investment is Gala. Gala is currently going at 40 cents a coin. Gala. So the reason I like Gala is because, again, gaming cryptocurrency. And Gala got its own blockchain gaming platform, Gala Games. So it's an Ethereum token. So it's another one of those coins that run, you know, congruent in parallel, whatever words you want to use, with Ethereum. And as you know, Ethereum still has lots of potential. So I feel like coins like Gala, which is also under the crypto gaming, has lots of potential, especially at 40%. Look at 40 cents a coin, should say. Look at Decentraland. Look at Sandbox right now. Right now, those coins are $4 a coin, $3.50 a coin. Engine coin, $3.50 a coin. Gala is only 40 cents. Gala is only 40 cents, which tells me, so guys and girls, that we got a lot of potential there. So that's one of the top 3 short-term investments that I'm making, which is Gala. Yeah, and the Gala, since I've invested in Gala, it's had a 86% growth. So shout out to Gala, shout out to Gala Gangs, SoapGawdsTV. We love what you're doing over there, man. Let's continue to push the community of crypto gaming, blockchain gaming. Let's continue to push that, because with blockchain gaming continuing to grow, I feel like Gala has a lot of potential. And there's other coins out there that I want to also talk about, but I'm gonna wait to talk about that, because I feel like I don't want to give y'all too much at one time. 2, let me get a little bit of that 𝐥𝐤 crypto.com coin, currently at 70%. So guys, I done made a substantial amount off my initial investment into crypto.com, and I'm new to this. So that was one of the first coins that I invested into. I really did, and I'm gonna tell y'all the story. I really didn't even know what I was investing into. I was just creating a little account for the crypto.com app. I was creating an account for the crypto.com app, and I seen the coin. I was like, man, since I already do transactions with these guys, I might as well invest into the coin. And this was before I did any research or anything. I feel like I gotten into it a little bit late, but it ain't felt like it's been late. It's been feeling like I just got into it. But that's just neither here or there. But what I'm saying is, my initial thinking was like, since I'm using crypto.com, I might as well invest into the coin. You know what I mean? And double up. But you see all the wonderful things what crypto.com coin is doing. They just bought the name of the Lakers Center. Now, Soap Guys, Soap Girls, guys, this is big. They just bought the name of the Lakers Center. $700 million deal. Talk to me. Type of money that's out here in cryptocurrency, where crypto.com can go and buy the It's not even called Staples Center. It's called crypto.com Center. Yeah, they bought crypto.com. They bought the naming rights to the Staples Center. Look, they bought the naming rights to the Staples Center. All the little memories, all the little memories that you ever remembered about Kobe, all of that, that's now gonna be crypto.com. All that. All the performances of the artists that go in there, they ain't going into Staples Center no more. They going into crypto.com center. So that just tell me that coin got tons of growth. And I'm not even going to tell you about all the other investments that the owner been making with all different type of like sports teams. The Lakers is not the only sports team I believe that crypto.com is all just working with. In fact, here we go. This isn't crypto.com's, like, Lakers wasn't the crypto.com first partnership in the NBA. They've got deals with Formula One, hockey team, Montreal, the hockey team. And also, if we scroll up, as you see right here, crypto.com tops 400 million in 2021 sports deals. And they got a pact with the 76ers. Come on now. That's what I'm trying to tell you. So we see all the lovely things crypto.com is doing. So that's why crypto.com coin is number 2 on my list. It could have made number 1, but it's number 2. And we're going to get to number 1. The number 1 coin that I'm investing to short term. The number 1 coin that's going to get you right in the next 4 months, baby. And remember, this is not financial advice. This is strictly for entertainment. But my number 1 coin that I'm investing in short term, guys, as you see right here, the GOAT, baby, Dogecoin Mars. Ticker Elon. You know anything with a ticker Elon, you gotta invest into. As you see right now, it's trading at 5016. So 5016 with tons of potential and tons of growth. So all the people that missed the Shiba train, all the people that missed the Doge DC, I'm gonna see the DC coin train. Everybody that missed those trains, this is your opportunity now to invest into Dogecoin Mars. Now, let me tell you why I like Dogecoin Mars. Dogecoin Mars is going to be the intergalactic currency for Mars. Now, I know that sounds crazy, don't it, y'all? You ain't never think that we would have a currency for Mars, but we about to have an intergalactical currency for Mars. And that's going to be Dogecoin. It's a city. It's named after the capital city of Mars, and it's speculation and rumors, y'all. Speculation and rumors that Elon might have his eye on this coin. So right now it's at 5 zeros. We already know what happened to Shiba when it went to 4 zeros. We already know what happened to DC when it went up to 1 coin. It made millionaires. So of course, my number 1 GOAT investment right now for short term is Dogecoin Mars, baby. Number 1 on the list is Dogecoin Mars. Ticker Elon. They got anonymous whales, man. A whale just put $46 billion into Dogecoin, I believe. 46 billion or 46 million. One of them. That's my top. Dogecoin Mars. The Lambos and all these things that you see up here. You gotta invest, man. Dogecoin Mars is my number 1 investor, man. Number 1 crypto investment right now is Dogecoin Mars. As you know, guys, most of these I'm holding on. Some of these may be pumps and dumps. Just to be real, because I don't lie to none of my people out there. Some of them might be pumps and dumps, but most of these coins I'm holding on. I'm part of the community, and we taking it up to Mars. And those was my top 5 crypto short-term investments. Do your own research. If you like what you heard, make sure you like, subscribe, and join the membership on the channel. Also, my Patreon has also launched. The whole family Patreon. We out here, the whole community. So we got a Patreon. We putting it in the description. Go join the Patreon. Go become a GOAT and join the Patreon. And all the people that join the Patreon, we giving out our Soap Gods merch, Soap Gods mugs. So Think about it. You feel me? Right when you wake up and you drink your coffee, now you got your SoapGawdsTV mug that's full of positivity. You get nothing but positivity when you wake up. So get your SoapGawdsTV mugs right now at the Patreon. Join the Patreon. We'll be dropping investment, all the stuff in the Patreon. So if you want to get these coins, you want to get these stocks and everything before they start popping, make sure you join the Patreon, man. I'm gonna see you guys later. Y'all have a lovely day. God bless. SoapGawdsTV.
Even pigeon toed, hiding from my folks, giving different strokes. Niggas bounce back like school dodgeball. You ain't really worth it if it's my call. I'm a hidden gem and you a slime ball. Check my bank balance, how could I fall? I'm a top shotter, you a low ball. When you in a bind, you get no calls. If I'm in a pinch, bitches go harder. Got all the grind from my own father. Y'all need to move at a better pace. It's time to elevate, breaking our barriers like I'm about to renovate. Remove the cancer, y'all niggas got dead away.